exploring the phrase, peek into, a journey into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, peek into. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help in both listening and speaking. So, let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Peek into is a phrase that combines two words, peek and into. To peek means to look at something quickly and usually secretly. It implies a brief or a sneaky glance. When combined with into, it takes the meaning of looking briefly inside or into something. So, peek into can mean to take a quick or secret look at something, often with the idea of doing so from the outside. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. Curiosity. She couldn't resist a peek into the room where the meeting was being held. 2. Sneakiness. He took a quick peek into the diary, making sure no one was watching. 3. Brief inspection. Before the meeting, I'll have a peek into the report you prepared. 4. Metaphorical use. This documentary offers a peek into the lives of people in ancient civilizations. In each of these examples, peek into indicates a brief and often secretive look into something. While peek into is the standard phrase, there are variations you might hear. Take a peek into. This adds a bit of emphasis on the action of looking. Sneak a peek into. This highlights the secretive or sneaky nature of the glance. Have a peek into. This is a more casual way of saying the same thing. Each of these carries a slightly different nuance but retains the core meaning of a brief and often secretive glance. When learning this phrase, be careful not to confuse peak with similar sounding words. Peak. This means the highest point, like the peak of a mountain. Peak. This is about stimulating interest or curiosity. Misusing these can change the meaning of your sentence entirely. And that's a peek into the phrase, peek into. Remember, phrases like these add color and nuance to your English. We hope this video helps you understand and use peek into confidently in your conversations. Stay tuned for more insights into English language learning. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.